Welcome to our Excel Slicer training. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Excel's Slicer tool to filter data quickly and easily. Let's start with a table of sample data. This could be anything from sales data to customer information. We want to be able to filter this data to find specific information quickly. To get started, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon and select Slicer. This will bring up the Slicer dialog box. Here, you can select the columns you want to use as filters for your data. For example, let's say we want to filter our data by country name, year, and score. We'll select these columns in Slicer dialog box. Once you've selected your column, click OK. This will create slicers that you can use to filter your data. You'll see that the slicers appear as windows containing the unique values in the column you selected. To use the slicers to filter your data, simply click on one of the values. You'll see that the table updates to show only the data that matches the selected value. You can also reset a slicer by clicking the Clear Filter button on top right corner of the slicer. Selecting a value in one slicer also selects the relevant value in the other slicers. You can also select multiple values in the slicer to create more complex filters. For example, you could multiple countries to display their relevant statistics at once. You can also use the slicer with charts and pivot tables. Let's create a chart to demonstrate the usage of slicers with charts. Copy the chart on another sheet, to avoid chart being disappeared in filtered rows. Copy slicers to the other sheet as well. They will work the same way there. As you can see, slicers are very convenient to use. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates.